Alright, y'all, so I'm just here to tell y'all how I like this hair, what I like and don't like about this hair, and if I recommend it to the next person. So if you guys want to hear what I got to say about this hair, stay tuned. Alright, so first off, this hair is by WIGIRL hair. This is an 8-inch 613 bob. I did not cut this hair. I did not alternate this hair. The most I did was flat iron it. Like, it came like this. It came cut like this. And of course, you don't have to bleach the knots because it's blonde hair and it's on the transparent lace, so I didn't have to do nothing to that. I did wash it with the purple shampoo to get some of the yellow out, but as for altering the wig, I didn't do anything to it. So this is basically how the wig came. I didn't cut it a little bit. I didn't do nothing at all. I didn't do nothing to the wig. So the wig actually came in this box, this FedEx. Got my information. Turn it over. All right, the wig came in this FedEx box. Okay. Usually, whenever I get a package, it come in a FedEx box or a DHL package, and then it come in its own little box or whatnot. So this company decided that they want to just throw the wig in a box and call it a day. I did not like that. So basically, as soon as I opened my box, the wig was in there. It wasn't in no special packaging. It wasn't in no little cute little bag like this. This is actually from a different hair company, but I just wanted to show y'all how other companies come. This company ain't come through at all. They just threw the hair. Well, the hair was in a net, but like they just threw the hair in a box. Okay, so I was like, you know what? It's not a big deal. Took the hair out the box or whatever. I ain't got no gifts. I was so mad. Like, I didn't have no gifts. I didn't have no lashes. I didn't have no scrunchies. I didn't have no flexi rods. I didn't even have a freaking wig cap. Bro, I was so upset that I didn't have a wig cap. That's the most thing that I was so mad about, that I didn't have a wig cap. Because like most hair companies send you a wig cap. Like I actually stock up on wig cap just cause I don't stock up on them. Like I have so many wig caps because the companies send me a wig cap. They did not send me a wig cap. I was so mad. And then I was in the middle of doing my hair. Like, whenever I opened it, I had already took my other wig off. I had already, you know, prepped my hair. You know, I got my set it off brace on, you know, had everything tucked in. I'm just ready to throw the wig on and call it a day. Bro, I had to go to the store with a bonnet just to get a wig cap because I didn't have a wig cap. I couldn't find my wig caps because at the time, like, I just moved into this apartment and I couldn't find none of my hair stuff. So not having a wig cap, I was so upset. I was so upset. And it pissed me off so much because I was actually on the phone with my homegirl, my best friend. And when I told her I didn't have a wig cap, she was like, oh, like, she was just like, bro, I know you, man. I'm like, bro, now I gotta go. And then I know the area that I live in, but I don't really know where a close hair store is. So I had to go drive into town to go to the store and go get me a wig cap. So that's one thing that made me mad. I didn't have no gifts. They didn't give me no gifts. And they just threw the wig in a box and call it a day. And like, it didn't matter. Like, I don't like that. Like, take care of your customers, you know. You send me something cute and pretty like this, I'm like, okay, I like that. You know, I can use this for something else. I can use this to throw my wig. After I'm done with my wig, I can throw my wig back in the bag. Like, They didn't even do that. You know where this wig going? In the trash. As soon as I take it off, it's going in the trash. Like, it's going in the trash because I don't, honestly, I don't like the wig. I don't like the wig at all. Okay, so in the video, it showed when I was, you know, playing with the hair, and I showed how broken up the hair was at the top. That got me so, I was even more mad. I was like, first y'all don't give me no wig cap. Now my frontal hair is all broken up. Y'all can see it now. Like, it's so many flyaways. Like, it shouldn't even be like this. It shouldn't be like this. All these flyaways, maybe like a couple of strings, but it's probably way more than this because I've been doing this like all day. I'll get some gel, I'll get some spritz or whatever, and I do this. Take my hot comb, and usually that will work. And my flyaways would just stay out. I was like, well, maybe I need a wax stick. You know, maybe I need a wax stick and, you know, put it down. But my old method works, and it just wasn't working with this. I was just like, bruh. So, no wig cap, no gifts, broken up frontal. I'm upset. I'm so freaking upset. So, like, that's a couple of things that I did not like, because being the fact that the frontal is broken up, my bob don't look like a real bob. Like, it's not flowing. It's not, and then like it got a little, you know, but it don't really move how I want it to move, you know, like old girl off of that little cartoon. A little cartoon, she got some glasses, but she just be, I'm gonna figure her name out. But she just, like, she'll move her hair and the hair will follow. Like, it just so, like, I had no body. I was just so stiff. And I was just like, man, this can't be life. This can't be life. Cause like whenever you do your hair, you know, you feel like a whole nother person. You feel like, oh yeah, I'm about to be this bad love, you know. Me, I was putting on no wig. I was upset the whole time. I'm just like, man, I'm about to be so ugly. This is my first time trying 613, like fully, roots and all. I was like, man, I'm about to be ugly, man. This wig not working. Bruh. So you know what I did? After I finished my hair, I was so mad. I threw on my cap. Where's my cap? What I did was, I have a work cap. I just threw on my cap and called it a night. I was so upset. Like, I was so mad. I was so upset. This is how I was going to work. Every day. Calling in the day. Just like this. I was like, I would just flat iron the ends. You know, it looked a little nice like this. I was like, all right. You know, make sure I had some earrings. Make sure I had I had the bigger lashes on. But I had made sure my little face was kind of cute or whatever. And I just went to work with my hat on. Like, if I buy hair and I can't wear my hair, like, I can't show you, like, yeah, you know, I can't do that. Like, throw the whole wig away. Throw the whole wig away. And that's what I'm gonna do. Like, soon as, like, this is just a 2-week review. Like, I had hair that lasted, like, a while. Like, a while. Like, I'm not saying the hair is bad, because the hair is actually good. Like, the hair is actually, I take that back. It's good, but it sheds, so it's not good. And it sheds a lot. When I tell you, bruh, I don't know. No, I can barely see. But, bruh, this hair sheds so much. Like, oh my God, this hair sheds so much. Y'all should see my car. Like, I have the inside of my car with a carpet the floor is black. So just imagine nothing but the blonde hair on my floor, because you know, every time you get out the car, you know, you gotta fix yourself, making sure you look cute. I got my brush, I got my comb in the car. You know, I brush my hair before I get out the car, and you know, I go about my business. My floor is full of hair. It's full of hair, and me, I barely clean my car. Like, I barely vacuum my car. I don't have time. I work every day, Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5:30. Saturday and Sunday, 6 to 3, 7 to 4s. Like, I work every day. I don't got time for that. So just seeing that all that hair just pile up, I'm gonna clean my car. I promise I'm gonna clean my car soon. But just seeing that hair build up on the floor, I can make a hairball. I can make a hairball. How much hair and shit out of this hair? Like, for real, for real. And that's sad. That is so sad. That's so sad that I can do that. And let me take this off. Like, it's sad. Oh, bro. But the price was good. It was $49.99. No tax. It was $49.99. I got it from AliExpress, so it's a good. I thought that was decent. I was like, oh yeah, I found me a cute little wig, decent price. You get what you pay for. You get what you pay for. But like, I watched some reviews on WIGIRL. Some was good, some was bad. But I was like, I'm gonna try it myself, because some people be exaggerating. Y'all might think I'm exaggerating, but like, y'all gonna find out for yourself if y'all decide y'all wanna, you know, kick it with WIGIRL. But I ain't. I'm good on Shawty. I'm so good on Shawty. Like, I'm good on her. But the price was $49.99, so I thought it was decent. I was like, you know what, I'm probably not even gonna wear this hair for long. You know, that's just a go-to wig. That's what it's gonna be. I'm gonna wear it for, and that's what I was planning on, wearing it for 2 weeks and then switching it out. I switch my hair out so much. Like, I have a different hairstyle like every month. So like, I get boring. Like, I'm getting very bored of this hair already. And it's just been 2 weeks. And for me to say these things about this hair within 2 weeks, the hair is trash. The hair is trash. As for taking heat, when I flat iron it, it be straight, but then it get frizzy. I do use heat protected, and it'll stay for a while. Like this, if I go out like this, my hair is gonna be all right for a little while, but it's not gonna stay. I don't know, it's not gonna stay. The texture is cool. I mean, the hair is Brazilian. The texture is cool. I mean, you see, it got a little body, you know. I don't know. Maybe I just got a bad wig. Maybe I just got a bad wig, and they just wasn't feeling it that day. You know, they was having a rough day, so they decided not to give me no gifts. You know, I don't know. I don't know. I'm not making excuses for nobody, but that's bad. That's bad. That's bad service. Giving somebody, just throwing their wig in a box like that. Like, you got your money and it's not F me. Like, that's not cool. That's not cool at all. I didn't even talk to them, honestly. Like, I didn't communicate with them. The shipping was fast, so I really didn't have a need to like reach out to them and be like, you know, hey, where's my package? I mean, I got it within like 3 to 5 days. I ordered it on a Thursday, and I think I got it the Wednesday, which I know weekends don't count because it's business days or whatever. So 3 to 5 days, I got the wig. So that was cool, you know. It is true to length. You know, this is an 8-inch. So, and I do like how the 8-inch look on me. It looked natural. It looked like it could be my hair or whatever. So I did like that. I did say it sheds. I'm looking down because I made little notes or whatever. But it do shed. I said that already. Sheds so freaking much. It doesn't tangle. Like, I can pass my hand through it, you know. And it's been 2 weeks and it's still, you know, got a little motion. You know, It don't tangle. Like, it's not matting up in the back. I don't have no little fro back there or nothing. Like, it's cool. Like, it don't tangle. So I give them a thumbs up on that. That's all I have for my little notes. But y'all, like, this how I'm gonna have to give it a thumbs down. Like, I'm never ordering from this company again. And I'm upset because I'm not sponsored. You know what I mean? They wasn't like, hey, Ish, I'm sending you this wig, check it out first, you know what I mean? Like, give me a good review on it. And, I'll give you this free wig or however it go. This wig wasn't sent to me. I had to come out of my pocket. My money was spent on this wig. I worked a job. I earned money to pay for this wig. Nobody gave me money. No sugar daddy, no boyfriend, no nothing. My own money. I paid for this wig. But luckily, this wasn't an expensive wig. Because if this was an expensive wig, I would have been raising hell. Like, it was just $50. So, I get what I paid for. I get what I paid for. But I feel like I was getting loud. I had cheap wigs that lasted me a while. Like $50, $60, $70 wigs that lasted me a while and didn't give me no type of trouble like this wig gave me. Look, oh my God. This aggravating me. That's aggravating me so much. I should have bought my longer lashes. But I guess that's all I have to say about the hair. I think I went over all the possible questions that anybody will look for whenever they, trying to see if that's a good company to go with. Y'all can see how frigid the ends is too. I'm so over this, y'all. But I do thank y'all for watching. I am coming back in about 2 weeks with another wig tutorial. And I had this type of hair before, not the company, but I had my hair like that before. So I know I'm about to be cute. So I'm excited. And just thank you guys for watching. See y'all in the next video. This is crazy. Like, I'm really freaking nervous talking to myself. This is ridiculous. What's up? No. What's up, y'all? I'm here with nope. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Like, oh my God, I'm so nervous. All right, so I'm back here with a video on a review on this wig. If y'all want to hear an honest opinion, all this, what am I doing all this for? What am I doing? I'm so nervous. Like, what the fuck? Is she in here by yourself? Like, what the fuck?